Gonna do a little Revolution Nutrition unboxing. Just got this delivered to my door, courtesy of Revolution Nutrition, who I'm sponsored by. I'll make sure I put the code RNDarryl in the description of the video. It'll get you a free gift with every purchase. Every single time you order, they'll throw in a free gift. So let's see what we got going here today. A little bit of extra packing. First big jug. Ooh. 6 pounds of Revolution. This one's probably my favorite. ISO Whey peanut butter cup. Tastes delicious. 28 grams of protein per scoop. No added sugars. Only 2 grams of fat with 1 gram of carbs. I love this one. Revolution Whey isolate. Very, very high quality. 6 pounds. A lot of the proteins come in 5 pounds. This one's actually 6. So for the price, bang for the buck is amazing. Got another big one here. Iced cappuccino highway. 25 grams of protein per scoop with 147 calories. The reason we got this one is in the recipe, you'll see one of Coach Antonella's tiramisu recipes. I'll link it at the end. I think this one will be awesome because it's iced cappuccino flavor. It'll be delicious in that tiramisu dish. This is the Revolution Highway. It's a blend of protein, so it's not the same quality as the isolate, but the price point is much, much cheaper. So if you're on a budget, this one is the way to go, Revolution Highway. They had a special this month. Revolution's always having deals, and it was included, and we use this one all the time, cookies and cream whey. This is the Highway blend as well. Fantastic flavor. Love this one. This one was a freebie. And I got their Bulldoze Evolution pre-workout. This thing is loaded to the gills. Now I really want you guys to compare the label on this one to whatever else that you're using, because I guarantee this one kicks its ass. Citrulline malate, 13,000 milligrams. Beta-alanine, 4 grams. Agmatine sulfate, 1.5 grams. Tyrosine, acetylcarnitine, alpha-GPC, lion's mane for focus. And you've got caffeine, a couple different types, so it doesn't spike your energy levels up and then drop you right off. It's got a dose-loaded, time-released caffeine in there. It's got hydrating agents as well, coconut water. This is a phenomenal, phenomenal product. You've got to give it a try. Bulldoze Evolution by Revolution. Put the links to all this stuff in the description. That's a must-have before the workout. Carnitine Cooler. I have this in the morning. Carnitine is great for mobilizing fat stores. It's made with all natural ingredients, improves performance, 0 calories. Love this one as well. L-carnitine. And this is the freebie that you get. Little cute chocolate cake ISO Whey by Revolution. If you use my code RNDarryl, I'll put it in the description as well. Every time you purchase with Revolution, you get a free gift. Thanks for enjoying the Revolution unboxing, and enjoy the products. Cheers. See you on the next one.